sun is shining and the birds are chirping, and it's time for us to quench our thirst with healthy and nutritious drinks for the summer. Hello everyone, this is Dietitian Neha, and today I am going to share certain quick and healthy drinks which you can prepare during this scorching summer. As we know that water plays a very crucial role during the summer season, as most of us are dehydrated, but we end up having aerated drinks, soft drinks, which are ultimately not only high in calories but also affects our metabolism badly. So to prevent that, I am presenting 4 to 5 drinks which you can prepare on regular day-to-day basis at your home, which not only just your kids but also elders or people of any age can enjoy at your family. Also, we will discuss about the nutritional benefits of taking these ingredients in your day-to-day routine, so that it will be beneficial for your body as well, despite of maintaining your hydration status. So let's quickly check out these recipes. If you are watching this video for the first time, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon in order to get healthy nutrition and lifestyle related tips and tricks. So first drink, as you can see, I am preparing with watermelon. So it is a really hydrating fruit which anyone can easily find during the summer season, and it is really refreshing as well because of its 92% of water content. Also it contains nutrients like vitamin A, C, and it is rich in potassium, which is also a good and important electrolyte to maintain the hydration. So here I have taken 1 cup of watermelon and adding water as per my choice, and then you can simply blend it. You need not to strain the water because we want the fiber intact in the drink, and you can simply pour into a glass of your choice. So basically this drink helps to prevent the oxidative stress that we usually have on day-to-day basis, and helps to reduce inflammation in our body, and it is also of course hydrating for your body as well. And here I am adding 1 teaspoon of lemon juice to it to increase and enhance the taste, and as per your choice you can add a few mint leaves, whether it could be fresh or dried. As per your convenience you can add to the juice, and here you can enjoy it. So another drink which I am preparing is which is commonly known as sattu, which is a roasted Bengal gram powder, and it is readily available in the markets. So this drink is usually beneficial because it comprises of potassium, magnesium, and also it is a good source of protein, and it can be beneficial for those who have constipation issues on regular basis, and also if you are facing challenges in managing blood pressure and diabetes. So this is also a very hydrating and nutritious drink for all those people. So simply you need to dissolve 1 tablespoon of sattu powder in that much quantity of water, and then now I'm adding certain herbs and basically flavors to enhance its flavor, like roasted jeera powder, and you can add half a teaspoon and less than that of rock salt, so which is going to give you a good flavor and kick also in the morning. If you prefer to take in the morning time, you can also take it before having anything, like before taking breakfast also, as it is rich in fiber. It will help you to feel full throughout the day. I've added ice to it, and you can now enjoy it. So as been talking about summer, so how can we skip the mangoes then? So here I have already boiled this raw mango, and I am scraping off the pulp in the jar to make it a smooth consistency drink. And you need not to strain this drink because we want the fiber here. And now you can add the water as per your requirement to make it a smoothie, to give it a basically smoothie kind of texture. So to this drink I'm adding 1 to 2 teaspoon around of jaggery, because raw mangoes are typically sour in nature. And also you can add the roasted jeera powder to enhance the taste, and it gives a good digestion also. And again you can add rock salt, so which enhances the flavor of this drink. So for the diabetic people, ensure that you are not taking this drink alone in this much of quantity. Always try to include some other sources of protein along with maybe some dry nuts, so which will not spike up your blood sugar levels, and take in lesser quantity than other individuals. And now you can add ice to this drink and you can relish this drink. Also has good quantity of vitamin A and C because of mango, and also it comprises good antioxidants and nutrients, which is beneficial during the summer season. It's time to enjoy. For the preparation of this drink, I'm adding lemon wedges and mint leaves to a glass, and simply crushing them to ooze out their juices, which we need for this drink. And this drink is a mixture of tender coconut and cucumber juice, so which is going to be really hydrating for you for this summer, as these both ingredients are readily available in the market throughout the season. So I'm simply taking out the coconut water and adding this to the juice we have scraped off. And then as per your requirement, you can take the coconut water and you can add this cucumber juice, which I have taken already, and half a cucumber juice you can take and add to this mixture. Simply this is ready. And also I am going to add 1 to 2 teaspoon of soaked basil seeds as well, because there is no fiber here. So to add on the fiber content, you can add basil seeds, which are really good for digestion, and also improves the digestion related issues in any individual. And this drink can be taken by people who have kidney stones, who face frequent UTIs, or if you have dehydration issues, then this is a super drink for you. Keep trying and let us know in the comment box also whether you like or not the taste of this drink. Now the last drink which we talk about here is KOKUM. So KOKUM is basically a superfood which is really beneficial in order to prevent heat stroke, and also it is good for hydration, and beneficial for those people who on regular basis faces acidity or indigestion related issues. So for this drink, I have already boiled and soaked KOKUM in 1 glass of water, and then after straining the pulp, I'm adding these ingredients, which include roasted jeera powder. You can add rock salt, because as this fruit is very tangy and sour in nature, so definitely we need to add certain ingredients to enhance the taste. And this is a good drink for those who wants to manage their hydration status with natural home based drink, and it is also readily available in the market, so you can try it out. And it also helps for treating anxiety or depression, and it to manage the blood pressure, and if you have diabetes issues as well. So you can add ice and enjoy it on regular basis. This is all for today, and if you really like the video, do share it with your family and your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And we are definitely going to see you shortly with newly updated videos. Till the time, take care of yourself and stay healthy.